So in this video, we're going to decorate the tree in Peep's room. Peep is our pet canary, and he's actually just right here, so you might hear him singing and tossing seeds in this video. I usually like to add some of the largest ornaments to the trees first because it's easier to find the placement. Although this tree is really nice and has quite a few gaps, so it's perfect for hanging large ornaments and just for ornaments in general. So the very first ornaments I'm going to add to the tree are these large Northwoodsy ornaments. So these are the next ornaments I'm going to add. They kind of have a similar look to these, just are slightly smaller. These large Finial ornaments I'm going to add next. So I remember when I was shopping for artificial trees back in the day, I used to look for ones that were the fullest, but some that are like this and are kind of sparse are really nice to decorate if you just want to do ornaments because they have more space for the ornaments to hang. So next I'm going to add some of these burgundy and gold ornaments. Now this set I've had for a very long time. I think I purchased this when I was in middle school maybe, so I really love these ornaments and just think they're still really neat. So then I'm going to add some of these really small ornaments. And I have a bunch of these cool paper ornaments with kind of vintagey Christmas scenes, so I'm going to add these to the tree next. Then I'm just going to tuck in a few of these artificial branches. So then I'm going to add a few of these glittery nests. Next I'm going to add a few of these little snowy pine branches. So then I'm going to add some of these frosty branches. Next I'm going to add some of these leafy branches and a few other assorted random floral just to fill in and add a different texture to the look.